Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I have something special. Some of you guys asked me on Discord, how do you grow your channel in 1 month? So if you want to know that, you clicked on the right video because I'm gonna be making 4 videos in 1 month telling you guys how you can grow your channel only in 1 month by doing these steps. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make one video every week. It's gonna be on a Saturday and I'm gonna release it on a Sunday. So I'm gonna show you guys what the progression is every week, once a week. So at the fourth week, at the end of the fourth week, you guys can take that information and put it into your own channel. This can work for any category, like a cooking channel or whatever channel you have. So if this video is exciting, drop a like on it and subscribe with the bell turn on to not miss out on these videos and any other future videos that I do on this channel. And if you want to support it even further, you guys can donate to the channel because I am trying to get more RAM on my laptop so I can start making Fortnite videos and Warzone, Minecraft, etc. on my laptop, and then I can play on better frames as well. So yeah, share this with your friends if they also have a YouTube channel. And by that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.